Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have naturally thick, strong, shiny hair almost effortlessly, while others struggle with thinning, breakage, or slow growth no matter what they try? The answer isn't in expensive shampoos or salon treatments. It's deeper than that, rooted in the way your body nourishes your hair from the inside out. Here's what's really going on inside your body. Your hair isn't living on your scalp alone. It lives off your metabolic health. Hair follicles are some of the most nutrient-hungry tissues in your body. They require steady delivery of amino acids, protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, minerals like zinc and iron, and optimal cellular energy, all of which depend on your digestion, circulation, hormone balance, and nutrient absorption working well together. This topic matters because hair health is a window into your overall physiology. When hair starts thinning or breaking easily, it's often a sign that something systemic, food quality, inflammation, stress hormones, or nutrient delivery isn't optimal. And when we support those deeper systems, hair tends to grow thicker, stronger, and healthier naturally. Today, we're zooming in on one tiny but truly potent plant food, a seed so small it can easily be overlooked, yet so nutrient-dense it has inspired centuries of traditional use and emerging scientific research. We'll explore what the research says, what exactly this seed contains that makes hair follicles thrive, and, most importantly, how you can use it in your daily life to support stronger, thicker hair from within. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by conflicting advice, take this supplement, use that shampoo, avoid this shampoo. Today, we're simplifying it to what's functionally going on inside your body and giving you tools that actually move the needle. Before we go deeper, if this sounds helpful so far, consider subscribing. I share practical, evidence-based strategies like this every day. Let's dive in. Let's get to the root causes, not the surface symptoms, of healthy hair growth. Here's what's really going on inside your body when it comes to hair. Hair follicles are metabolically expensive tissues. They require a continuous supply of protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and micronutrients. But they also need optimal circulation, balanced hormones, and a low inflammation internal environment to actually use those nutrients. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Your hair follicles are like plants in a garden. Even if you water them regularly, if the soil is poor, compacted, or acidic, the plants won't thrive. Healthy hair needs good soil, and that soil is your internal metabolic environment. Inflammation in the body, high levels of stress hormones like cortisol, insulin resistance, or micronutrient deficiencies all act like rocks in the soil, restricting blood flow and nutrient delivery to the hair roots. This is why just applying serums often fails. It's like watering the leaves of a plant without fixing the soil. The nutrients never reach the root where growth actually happens. So what really needs to be optimized for healthy hair? Protein delivery and amino acid availability, because hair is mostly protein, keratin. Healthy fats and omega-3s, to lubricate cell membranes and support scalp circulation. Antioxidants, to protect growing follicles from oxidative stress. Minerals like zinc, iron, and selenium, which regulate cell division and hair cycle phases. Blood glucose and insulin balance, because chronically high insulin increases inflammation, disrupting circulation and hormone balance. Now, here's the key. Chia seeds naturally support all of these internal systems. They're not just good for hair, they are good for the body's ability to nourish hair. Here's what's really going on inside your body when hair thins or breaks. Inflammation and oxidative stress quietly sabotage your follicles long before you notice visible hair loss. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Think of your hair follicles as tiny factories and inflammation as smoke inside the factory. A little smoke isn't catastrophic, but over time it slows production, damages machinery, and reduces output. Oxidative stress is like corrosive rust attacking the equipment. Left unchecked, the factory's performance drops, which in your body translates to slower, weaker, or thinner hair growth. So what drives this internal smoke and rust? Chronic low-grade inflammation, often from processed foods, sugar, environmental toxins, or stress. Excess free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cell membranes, proteins, and DNA, including your follicle cells. Hormonal imbalances, particularly elevated cortisol or insulin spikes, which amplify oxidative damage and inflammation. Here's where chia seeds come in. Omega-3s, ALA, reduce systemic inflammation by shifting your body's balance toward anti-inflammatory compounds. Think of it like installing an air purifier in your follicle factory. Antioxidants in chia seeds neutralize free radicals, stopping the rust before it damages the delicate machinery. Fiber supports gut health, which surprisingly affects inflammation throughout the body. A healthy gut signals lower inflammatory responses, meaning your follicles get a cleaner, calmer environment to grow. Practical, actionable steps. Daily chia intake, 1-2 tablespoons soaked or added to meals as an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant boost. Reduce sugar and refined carbs, which spike insulin and inflammation. Add color to your plate. Vegetables and berries work synergistically with chia to fight oxidative stress. Stress management, even 10 minutes of meditation or deep breathing lowers cortisol, protecting follicles indirectly. Research shows that combining nutrient-dense anti-inflammatory foods with lifestyle management can significantly improve hair density and reduce shedding over time. This isn't just theory, it's physiology in action. Here's the key takeaway for this section. Hair growth is not just about feeding the follicle, it's about creating an internal environment where follicles are free from stress, inflammation, and oxidative damage. Chia seeds are small but powerful allies in this process. Here's what's really going on inside your body. Hair growth is tightly linked to your metabolic and hormonal health. Even if you eat protein, antioxidants, and healthy fats, if your insulin, cortisol, thyroid, or sex hormones are out of balance, hair follicles simply cannot thrive. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Think of your hair follicles as a business. Nutrients are the raw materials, but hormones are the management team deciding when and how much product gets made. If management is distracted or overworked, say cortisol levels are high or insulin is spiking, the factory slows down, waste builds up, and production drops, that's when you notice thinning, shedding, or slow growth. Chia seeds help support this system in several ways. Blood sugar regulation chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which slows digestion and stabilizes blood sugar. Stable blood sugar reduces insulin spikes, which in turn decreases inflammation and keeps your hair follicles in growth mode. Think of this as smoothing out the factory's workflow, avoiding chaotic bursts and downtime. Healthy fatty acids for hormone production. Omega-3s from chia seeds are raw materials for hormone synthesis. Your sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, rely on healthy fats. Proper hormone levels are essential for keeping hair in the growth phase longer and preventing premature shedding. Support for thyroid function. Chia seeds contain minerals like zinc, magnesium, and selenium. These are critical cofactors for thyroid hormone production, which controls metabolism and regulates follicle activity. If thyroid function is low, hair can become thin and brittle. Cortisol modulation. The fiber and nutrient density in chia seeds support gut health, which indirectly modulates stress responses. A balanced gut-brain axis helps prevent excess cortisol from interfering with hair growth cycles. Practical steps to integrate chia for metabolic and hormonal support. Take 1-2 tablespoons of chia seeds daily, preferably soaked, to maximize nutrient absorption. Combine with protein-rich meals to optimize amino acid delivery and blood sugar stability. Pair with colorful vegetables and fruits to boost antioxidant support and micronutrient density. Maintain consistent meal timing and reduce refined carbs to minimize insulin spikes that harm follicles. Here's the key insight. Healthy metabolism and hormones are the foundation for hair growth. Without this internal support, even the best shampoos, oils, or supplements have minimal effect. Chia seeds are a simple, natural tool that improves multiple systems at once, reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, and supplying the building blocks for hormones and follicles alike. So far, we've covered why chia seeds are powerful for hair, from reducing inflammation to supporting metabolism and hormones. Now let's talk about how to actually use them in your daily life so your follicles get the full benefit. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Think of your hair follicles as tiny gardens. You know that sprinkling a few seeds occasionally won't produce a lush garden. Consistent watering, proper soil, and sunlight are key. Similarly, consistency and preparation matter when using chia seeds. 1. How much to take? 1 to 2 tablespoons daily is enough for most adults. This provides around 3 to 5 grams of omega-3s, fiber, and a boost of protein, minerals, and antioxidants. Start with 1 tablespoon if you're new to chia to let your digestion adjust, then gradually increase. 2. How to prepare for maximum absorption. Soak chia seeds in water or milk for 15-30 minutes before consuming. This forms a gel, which improves digestibility and nutrient absorption. You can also sprinkle them on oatmeal, yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Avoid eating dry seeds in large quantities as they may pass through the digestive system unabsorbed. 3. Timing and pairing pair chia seeds with protein-rich foods to enhance amino acid delivery to follicles. For example, add soaked chia to a Greek yogurt breakfast or smoothie with whey or plant protein. Include colorful vegetables or berries to provide additional antioxidants, which work synergistically with chia to fight oxidative stress in follicles. 4. Lifestyle synergy. Hydration matters. Chia absorbs liquid, so drinking enough water ensures your digestion and absorption remain efficient. Sleep and stress management amplify the effects. Remember, your follicles respond to your internal environment. Consistent stress and poor sleep elevate cortisol, which reduces nutrient delivery and follicle activity. 5. Weekly hair health routine. Example, morning, smoothie with 1 TBSP soaked chia, 1 2-cup berries, and protein powder. Afternoon, snack, Greek yogurt with 1 TBSP chia, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Evening, optional addition to soups, salads, or oatmeal. Here's the key insight. Consistency over time is what produces results. Hair grows in cycles, and follicles need continuous support from nutrients, hormones, and low inflammation. Daily chia intake creates a strong foundation, supplying both the raw materials and the systemic support your follicles need. Here's what's really going on inside your body. Even the most nutrient-dense foods need the right environment to work effectively. Chia seeds are powerful, but their benefits are amplified when paired with specific lifestyle habits that support circulation, hormone balance, and cellular repair. Let me explain this with a simple analogy. Think of your follicles as high-performance plants in a greenhouse. Chia seeds are like premium fertilizer, but without proper sunlight, water, and airflow, your plants won't reach their full potential. Similarly, lifestyle factors act as the environmental conditions that determine whether your follicles can flourish. 1. Exercise for blood flow. Hair follicles need oxygen and nutrients delivered via your bloodstream. Cardiovascular exercise, even brisk walking, swimming, or cycling 20-30 minutes daily, increases circulation to the scalp and improves nutrient delivery. Resistance training helps regulate insulin and hormones, indirectly supporting follicle health. 2. Stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which suppresses growth signals in your follicles. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or short walks in nature reduce stress and create a hormonal environment conducive to hair growth. 3. Sleep and recovery. Hair follicles are most active during sleep when growth hormone peaks. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Poor sleep disrupts hormone balance, increases inflammation, and slows hair growth. 4. Supporting gut health. A healthy gut improves nutrient absorption and lowers systemic inflammation. Probiotic foods, yogurt, kefir, fermented vegetables, and fiber-rich foods like chia seeds promote a balanced gut microbiome. 5. Scalp care and local circulation. Gentle scalp massages 2 to 3 times a week increase blood flow and can enhance nutrient delivery. Avoid harsh chemicals or overwashing that strip natural oils, which protect follicles and scalp integrity. 6. Consistency over perfection. Small, consistent actions, daily chia seeds, moderate exercise, stress management, sleep hygiene, compound over weeks and months. Hair grows slowly, but steady support ensures stronger, thicker, healthier strands over time. Here's the key takeaway. Chia seeds are a foundational tool, but lifestyle habits determine how effectively your body can use their nutrients. When combined with proper circulation, hormone balance, stress reduction, and sleep, the results are synergistic, supporting not just hair, but overall energy, focus, and longevity. So, what have we learned about supporting the healthiest, strongest, and thickest hair naturally? Let's recap. Hair growth isn't just about what you put on the outside, it's a reflection of what's happening inside your body. Follicles are metabolically demanding tissues that require protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, minerals, and steady nutrient delivery. They also need an environment free from chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, and hormonal disruption. Chia seeds are a tiny but mighty tool in this process. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and improve scalp circulation. Protein and essential amino acids provide the building blocks for keratin. Minerals and antioxidants protect follicles from oxidative damage and support enzymatic reactions. Fiber promotes gut health, stabilizes blood sugar, and indirectly regulates hormones. But nutrients alone aren't enough. Your body's internal environment, hormones, circulation, stress levels, and sleep quality determines whether your follicles can actually use those nutrients. That's why pairing chia seeds with lifestyle practices like exercise, stress management, sleep optimization, and gut support multiplies the results. Here's the actionable challenge. Pick just one change today. Add a tablespoon of soaked chia seeds to your breakfast, or commit to a 10-minute scalp massage, or replace one sugary snack with a fiber-rich, nutrient-dense option. Track how your hair, energy, and overall well-being respond over the next few weeks. Small, consistent changes compound over time. The follicles respond slowly, but the results are real and sustainable. Finally, if this added value, like the video and subscribe to join thousands of others who are learning to optimize their health naturally without relying on quick fixes or gimmicks. Your hair is just one reflection of your metabolic health, and supporting it from the inside out is the smartest, most effective approach you can take. Remember, stronger, thicker hair starts with a nourished, balanced body, and this tiny seed is a natural, science-backed ally in that process.